Welcome to today's recipe. We are making a rich and flavorful tomato soup without cream or corn flour. Simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious. And to make it even better, we will serve it with a crispy, cheesy grilled cheese sandwich. So, let's get started. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. This gives our soup a deep, rich flavor. You can also use only butter for a rich taste or only oil for a lighter version. Next, add 1-inch ginger, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium chopped onion. Saute until the onions turn soft and translucent. This step is crucial because it builds the flavor of the soup. If you want a slightly smoky taste, let the onions caramelize a bit before moving to the next step. I am using fresh tomatoes from my terrace garden for this soup. When I plucked them, they were slightly red greenish, but after keeping them for 4 to 5 days, they ripened beautifully into a deep red color. So if your homegrown tomatoes are not fully ready yet, just let them sit for a few days. Patience make them perfect. Now, toss in 1 chopped carrot, 3 to 4 medium or 5 to 6 small chopped tomatoes. The carrot adds natural sweetness and balance to the tanginess of the tomato. If your tomatoes are too sour, you can add an extra pinch of sugar later to balance the taste. Cook everything on medium heat until the tomatoes turn completely soft and mushy. This ensures a smooth and creamy texture without needing any cream or thickening agent. Time to season. Add salt to taste, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon coriander powder, black pepper to taste, and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder gives the soup a vibrant red color without making it too spicy. If you prefer a spicier soup, you can use regular chili powder instead of Kashmiri chili. Before moving to the next step, check if your tomatoes are completely mushy. If they are not soft enough, cover and cook for a few more minutes until they break down easily. Pour in 2 cups of hot water, give it a good mix and let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes until the vegetables are completely soft. This step is important to extract all the flavors. For an extra depth of flavor, you can use vegetable stock instead of water. Once everything is cooked, let it cool slightly, then blend it into a smooth soup. If you want a silky texture, strain it through a sieve, or if you like a bit of texture, you can skip straining. If you don't have a blender, you can mash the soup using a potato masher for a rustic chunky texture. Return the soup to the pan and let it simmer for a few more minutes while we prepare our grilled cheese sandwich. I have also shared red lentil soup and mushroom soup. Watch them if you like or want to try a different soup. Follow my soups playlist so you will get the recipe whenever I upload a new one. Now let's make the perfect grilled cheese sandwich to pair with our soup. Heat the pan and place a slice of bread. Add a cheese slice and some mozzarella cheese for the perfect cheese pull. Then top it with another slice of bread. Toast it on medium heat until golden and crispy on both sides. If you want extra crunch, spread a little butter on the outside of the bread before toasting. For extra flavor, you can add some garlic butter or sprinkle of Italian herbs before grilling. Now it's time to serve. Pour the hot tomato soup into a bowl. Garnish with croutons, a dollop of butter, and a sprinkle of pepper powder for extra taste. Serve it alongside a crispy, cheesy grilled cheese sandwich for the perfect comforting meal. If you don't have croutons, you can use crushed roasted peanuts or even crispy powered peas for some crunch. And there you have it, delicious creamy textured tomato soup without cream or corn flour, paired with the classic grilled cheese sandwich. This is the ultimate comfort food, perfect for a cozy evening. The combination of rich, flavorful soup and crispy, cheesy, simple sandwich is irresistible. You have to try it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipe. Let me know in the comment what you like to see next. See you in the next video. Bye bye.